accounting exercise document is uploaded in your drive. Try to take it, and based on these rules, I want you to fill this entry, fill this transaction. It's like individual entry. Like you have to identify inventory received, debit or credit. Okay, debit. Inventory issued, debit or credit. Okay, these are all the items. Okay, that we have to you have to fill it by yourself, and here is the answers. So what rule? What is the answer I told you? But I just need like what is debit, credit in cash incoming means. So okay, I'll try to fill it for you for few items. Inventory received. Inventory is coming inside. Coming inside means debit. Inventory issued. Credit. Cash incoming. Again coming inside. Inside means debit.
Debit.
Cash outgoing. Credit. Loss. Loss means.
Credit. Credit.
Loss means.
Credit.
Shall we check here? You have to check this and you have to tell me.
Sorry.
Loss means debit.
Debit.
Income means
Credit.
credit. Expenses means
Debit.
Debit.
cash discount received.
Income. Credit.
Debit. Debit.
Cash discount received. We are getting benefit. We are
Debit.
getting cash discount received means we are
Debit.
going to Apple. We are going to buy a phone. We thought that it is 1 lakh rupees. While paying, they said that boss, you are getting 5,000 discount. That's a cash discount received.
Debit.
We thought 1 lakh. So that is a income for us.
Income
If
for
it's a
us.
income is credit.
Credit.
Income is credit. Okay. Now cash discount given. We are giving discount. It's an
Debit.
expense. It's a loss for
Debit.
us. You cannot say loss. It's an expenses for us. Okay. So we are purchasing from the vendor. Vendor you are purchasing means what is the rule?
Debit the receiver and credit the giver.
So
Yeah. Vendor is a credit. I told you.
Credit.
Vendor is credit. Because why credit means we are paying. We have to pay to him. When you are purchasing, you are not paying immediately. You will pay after 1 week or after 1 day or after evening, after 1 month, like that. So when you are purchasing, you have to pay to him. He is always a liability for us. In general terms also, when you are buying a phone without paying, you said that you will pay after 1 week. Till that, it's a liability for you. So vendor is a liability. Vendor is a liability means it's a credit.
Credit.
Vendor is a credit. Okay. And customer is a debit for us. When you are selling, you are getting customer. Customer is a debit. Asset purchase. Asset is coming inside. When you are purchasing asset, asset is coming inside. Debit. Asset sale. Going outside. Going outside means minus. Minus means credit.
Credit.
Bank incoming. Money is coming inside the bank.
Debit.
Again, it's a debit. Bank outgoing. Money is going outside. Minus. That is called credit. Service expenses.
Debit.
Again, it's expenses. Expenses
Debit.
means I told you debit.
Debit.
Service income. We are
Credit.
getting money on the services. So it's
Credit.
income. Money is not, we are not getting money, we are getting income. Money is different and income is different. So we have to post how much income we got also. So income is always credit. Okay. Next, vendor advance. Vendor is, we are making payment to the vendor.
Credit.
Okay.
Debit.
So when you are purchasing, it is credit.
Credit.
When you are giving advance, it is debit.
Debit.
Reverse, right? Our money is with that fellow. And when customer is giving advance to us, customer money is with us. So it is again liability for us, credit. Reverse. These two are reversal entries. See, opposite it will be. Purchase means credit, advance means debit. Next, depreciation. Depreciation is an expenses. I am buying, I bought a car, daily I am using the car. My value is getting decreased. That is called
Debit.
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 Depreciation is an expenses. Expenses will be debit. Accumulated depreciation. So when you are calculating depreciation, the opposite entry will go to the accumulated depreciation. So this is a
Credit.
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 Credit only. Double entry system, debit and credit should be there, right? So accumulated depreciation will be credit. Don't worry, everything we are going to see practically in the system. We are
Okay.
going to design the system. We are going to design means configure the system. We are going to create a master data, and we are going to we are going to think about the business transaction, and we are going to post. Cost of goods sold. COGS. COGS means cost of
Cost of goods
goods
sold.
sold. The name itself selling the cost.
Sell cost.
When you are selling any material, for that material, the cost will be incurred, right? Directly we are not selling. If you are buying, that's the cost. There is a cost. If you are selling, that cost should be debit. Always expenses will be
Debit.
debit, right? Debit the
Yes.
COGS. This COGS we call it as COGS also.
Cost.
COGS or cost of goods sold. Next, sales revenue. Coming to
Credit.
sales revenue. So revenue is a credit for us. Okay,
Credit.
as per our rule, where is our nominal account? Revenue is a credit.
Income.
So let's do the revenue is a credit. And coming to the price difference. What is price difference? Okay, price difference means yesterday I have purchased for 1000 rupees. Today I am purchasing for 900 only. There is a price difference of 100 rupees. Sometimes it will be loss, it will be profit also. So the normal price is 1000 rupees, but we are buying only for 900 rupees. Now we are getting profit or loss?
Loss. Profit.
Profit, right? Normal
Profit.
price is 1000 rupees. We are buying for
Yes.
less price.
Okay.
100
Profit.
rupees we are getting profit.
Profit.
Okay. So, and some in another case, the normal price is 1000 rupees. We are buying for 1100 rupees. Overpriced. So 100 rupees we
Loss.
are paying extra.
Mm.
100 rupees is a loss for us. Okay. So loss is always
Debit.
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 Profit gain is always
Credit.
credit. This is the FICO. This is the accounting entries in FICO. If you are clear about these entries, I'll give this sheet. You practice multiple times. You will do mistakes. There is an answers here. So try to check out the answers. Whatever the mistake that you are doing, you ask me. During the class, you ask me. I'll guide you how to do it. So these are all the transactions that we are going to see during our entire duration of the course, beginning to end. If you are comfortable with these items, okay, you will be comfortable with your accounting entries. This is the first level of learning. Second level, I'll give you the transactions. So based on transactions, what will be the debit, what will be credit also, we'll try to figure it out. Okay, so thank you. Download this sheet and try to upload it in the system. Got it? Thank you, boss.